Hello guys, today we are going to make amazing flowers. So let's do it. Take an A4 size paper, a glue and a scissor and a green color paper. Cut the A4 size paper in a square shape. Fold the paper from middle. Then again fold it. Cut the paper in these 4 pieces. Take one extra piece also. Now take one piece and make a triangle. Fold it. Then again fold it. Now we are going to cut this triangle like this. Cut the other pieces like this. Now cut the layer in this way. The layers are ready. Now we are going to stick it. Take the layer and stick it with the glue. Do this with the all layer. Now we are going to make branch for our flower. Take the green paper and cut it from middle. Roll it from the end like this and make a paper stick and stick it with the glue. Now we are going to make leaf for our flower. So draw a leaf shape on a paper. And cut it. Take the last layer of flower and make a hole at the center of it. We are going to put this paper stick in this flower. At the end of the paper stick, make a 4 cut. Put this stick in the last layer of our flower and stick it. Now we are going to put the other layer on it. fold it. Now fold it, and we are going to put this on top of the flower. Cut the end of it so that it gets easy to stick. Now we are going to stick the leaves. Take the leaf and stick one by one. Our flower is ready. Thank you for watching. Do like and subscribe our channel for more videos.